Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing today? Let's go around Quartzsite. Today is Sunday, October 28th, mid-afternoon, and it is overcast. Kind of warm too, it's in the 90s. It won't last long, it's supposed to be back in the 80s by Wednesday, they said. Beautiful weather, can't beat it. Almost the end of the month. I was up in Havasu a couple days ago coming down. It was bumper to bumper RVs all the way down from Havasu. Absolutely amazing. So people are heading here quickly. That Arco right there just opened back up. They got the cheapest gas in town. Only by like 3 cents. It's all, they're $2.96. Everybody else is like $2.99, $2.98, something like that. All right, here's Main Street. This is East Main. We're heading to the west. On the left is the RV dealer, and on the right, you can see they're starting to bring in a couple rigs. Mainly used stuff, but nothing new yet. Sweet Darlene's there on the right. They're open for business. They officially opened back up. That's also a bakery. Pretty good food there too. Then the naked book guy there on the right, Reader's Oasis. And officially all stores at Discount Solar opened up. They're expensive though. Dollar store, all the food stores. Most everything is opened up now. That little bakery on the left did not open. It is actually for sale. On the right, there's that Coyote Fresh. It used to be General Store. Right up here on the right, there's that Mobility Scooters. They're all open. Of course, the gas stations. There's that Junkyard Guy and Roadrunner. Even the satellite place is open up here in the corner. So they're getting ready. The stage is set. And the RV dealer on the left is not. He won't be here for a while. Right there on the right, that's Satellite Advantage. There's a nice Class A making a left right in front of us. All right, rolling on down. The pharmacies there on the right, post office are closed today. It's Sunday. The Hialeah market here on the right, they are starting to set up now. Not all of them yet. And they sell a lot of garage sale stuff. A lot of junk. Good junk though. Nothing wrong with that. On the left's all the RV parks. They're getting busy, filling up quick. Then up here on the right is the old Stagecoach Restaurant, which still has not opened. They're still looking for someone to run it. But it's still for lease. And then also here is this Main Street Vendor Square, whatever they call it. Quite a few vendors are setting up in there. So that's fairly new. That's only a couple years old. Be something to check out. Okay, we're cruising into downtown. This is downtown Quartzsite. I just spotted at the yacht club, the front door was open, so they must be getting ready. Then all the little rock shops. See the flags? The flags are flying. The business is open. A few more flags flying down here. Hardy's, he's always open. That building's closed. No one's in it. There's the tire shop on the right. Gem World, they are officially open for business. That's a huge place to go inside. Alrighty, that's the end of Main Street. Let's go up here. I'll flip around here in Carl's Jr.'s. All these fast food and truck stops are always super busy. They're right there on interchange of the freeway. Back behind's all the Teslas. You can actually charge your car back here. Tesla has a supercharger. Well, I still got a little fuel in the tank. Let's go across the freeway and we'll head back and we'll go past the showgrounds, Tyson Wells and whatnot. Alrighty, we're heading over. This is Interstate 10, exit 17. The busiest one in town. Always take 19. Forget this one. This thing gets congested. Over there in the corner's Love's truck stop. We're going to make a left here on Queen. And that's Panhandle Corner. All the panhandlers hang out there begging for money. You can see I-10. Sunday's a heavy travel day here between California and Arizona. It's the main artery that goes into Southern Cal. Heavy traffic, especially on the weekends. Okay, we're passing on the right, Desert Gardens. There's a few vendors, not many yet. But they will fill up quick. That's a cool place to go look in January. Gotta check out Desert Gardens. Alrighty, here's Tyson Wash, the famous Tyson Wash. This thing closes every time it heavy rains. You can actually four-wheel from north to south all the way through town on this wash. A lot of people do that. It's kind of cool. But you can go clear up to the other end of town. Right up through the wash. You never go on a street. Alrighty, up here is Tyson Wells, the #1 showground in Quartzsite. And there are definitely vendors setting up. Let that car go by me. Alright. On the right hand side, the sunglass guy. On the left there's K&K. He is just setting up. He sells all the kitchen supplies. Looks like, I don't know what everybody else is selling. An old tool guy there. Up here's prospectors in the metal buildings and not a soul there yet. No one's setting up at prospectors. Alright, this traffic light is Highway 95. Okay, continue across. We're still on Queen. On the left there's a guy selling a bunch of firewood. If you're out in the desert, you're selling bundles. On the right there's a couple vendors, and other than that, Rice Ranch has nothing going there. Now up here where you see all the trailers on the right, there's like a junk dealer. He should be opening up pretty soon. And that guy there on the left, he does windshields. He's always busy. He's always there. On the left, there's Rose's RV Park. He's got a huge setup to dump tanks and get fresh water. He services a lot of the guys out in the desert, so that's a good place to go to empty your tanks. And these RV parks, there's like 3 of them in here on the left. Very old. A lot of just old trailers there. Them things been there forever. Alrighty, gonna make a left. But you can feel it in the air. Quartzsite's starting to get a little busier. You see more and more RVs running around, people. Stores are starting to open. Definitely feeling like fall with the weather. Weather's just beautiful. At night it's in the 60s. Alright, well that's kind of a quick run around. We're back down at the east end, about where we started. Next day or two I'll get out, I'll show you the BLM campgrounds. They are starting to get people in there. quite a few actually. A friend of mine's out on the long term. I was out there yesterday, and there's quite a few rigs. I'll fly the copter out there and show you. Well, thanks for coming along. Town ain't that big. Can run around here fairly quick. Alright, this is Russ. I'm going to sign off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk to you real soon. Don't forget van build. November 7th coming up too. Take care, all.